down if you're dead, please. Sit down. Sit down if you're dead.
Okay.
Don't fight down there, right?
What's up? I agree. Speedy's right here. He's on this corner. Hey. Hey, where's medic at? Where's medic? Okay, keep. Hey. Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. Try to just push it. Is there anyone behind that wall? Go. Try to push it. Fuck it. Hey, in front of me.
You got 30 seconds.
Stop, here, just go. Clear.
Let's jump, buddy. Jump.
Come on, this way. All right, call it. Good stuff, man.
Look at it. I was just scrolling through Instagram.
For real?
Somebody said, hey, I was like, oh, I'm supposed to be here.